What's up, y'all? This is Duana, aka Glamazon1026, and welcome to the Glam Room. Thank you for joining us. If you're new, thank you for coming back. If you are an old friend, today this video is going to be super quick because I'm going to show you a game changer for putting on your lashes. Okay, if you struggle with putting on lashes and you want to know how you can get your lashes on and get out the door and not have to fumble or struggle or whatever with it, you stay tuned because I got something for you. Okay? I got something for you.
You don't know. Bad man. Yeah. This body baby. This body baby.
This video is going to be so quick because when I tell you this is a game changer for lashes, I mean it. It's a game changer. Today we're going to be using the BerCari Cosmetics Lash Glue and Liner Pen. So it is one step. You put it on and then you stick your lashes right on. And then I'm also going to be using the BerCari Cosmetics Aria Lash. This is about to be the easiest thing you ever did see. Watch. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to make sure that you have everything ready because it's going down, okay? Meanwhile, I can't find my tweezers. So we are going to just pretend that this is a regular eyeliner, and I'm just going to make a wing. So I'm going to pull out the bottom line, right? And then I'm going to go back on top and connect the upper lash line to the wing. And then connect the inner corner to that. And then fill it in. Now, if you don't know how to do a wing, don't worry. You don't have to do a wing. You just have to line a little bit on your lash line. And honestly, the thicker the better. Like, not too thick, obviously, but you want to just make sure that you're getting a good enough line so that your lashes can stick to it. And now I already have my lash off, and I'm just going to go and stick that lash directly on top of that liner. Look at that. And I'm doing this in real time. That's why I'm talking this entire time, because I don't want you guys to think that I sped anything up and I waited for it to dry or anything. I just stuck that lash right on to that liner, and look at that. It's on, y'all. It's on. Let's do it one more time for all of those people who are disbelievers, right? And now we're gonna do it in the right order. So we're gonna mascara first, right? Mascara first. Then, because you wanna be ready, you stay ready so you don't have to get ready, okay? Take your lash off of your tray. Just hold it right there, because it's about to be on and popping, okay? All right, so now I'm going to pull out the lower lash line with the pen, with the liner. My left eye always gives me problems, y'all. Every single time. Okay, there we go, right? Going to connect the upper lash line with the lower lash line. Come on, y'all, don't play with me. And then we're going to connect the inner corner to that line that we did. All right, so we got that, right? Now we're going to take our lash, stick it right on the liner. Then when you're finished, you just want to make sure you squinch your lashes and the falsies together to camouflage your lashes. Look at that, guys. So easy. I feel like the hardest part for a lot of people putting on lashes is waiting until the glue is dry enough. With this, you don't have to worry about it because as soon as you make your line, you can stick your lashes right on. Remember when you're sticking on lashes to look down into the mirror. I look into it kind of like this, under my chin, so that I can see where my lash line is and where the lash band needs to be, okay? All right, y'all. All right, you guys, I told you that this was going to be easy. I told you that it was going to be quick. My lashes are on, like, they are, this is amazing. I probably will never have to buy conventional lash glue again because it's just so easy. And it's so pretty too, look at it. It looks like a regular pen. Just gorgeous. Anyway, just remember, like I said before, store it upside down so that when you're ready to put it on your lashes, the ink, the glue comes right out and it's super easy. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell so that you are part of the Glam fam and you know exactly when I upload. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram and Twitter at Glamazon1026, and I'll see you guys in my next video. All right, bye. I'm in love.